We are about to check into the Hotel MiraCosta, which is part of Tokyo DisneySea. And we have never been to Tokyo DisneySea before, but for the next 3 nights we are staying at this special hotel that is inside the theme park. So join us for a tour of the hotel itself, and also we're going to go back to Tokyo Disneyland tonight. So we got a lot of fun in this vlog, so let's get started. This lobby is absolutely amazing, and right out the window you can see Tokyo DisneySea, and the special hotel entrance is down those stairs. After checking in, they told us to wait for a cast member to take us to our room.
So have you ever been to Japan?
Yes.
Yes?
It's my first time.
Oh, okay, yes. Your first time?
Yes.
Welcome.
Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I will bring your luggage, so please. If you turn on this TV, so you can see the Wi-Fi ID and password.
Okay.
Okay. And if you have any question, please call service hotline. And here is the refrigerator.
Okay, awesome.
And in here there is the bottle of water, and this is for free.
Thank you.
Okay.
And if you
All right, we just got here, Tasha. Initial thoughts on our room.
It's really beautiful.
Yes. And we're going to check out the view. It's the moment of truth. Tasha!
Oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3. Look what's outside of our room. People waiting to ride the Venice gondolas. Back there is the Tower of Terror ride. But yeah, they're going off on a gondola right there. So fun. People in the theme park.
Wow, this is a really great view.
I love it. So, very fun. So here's the bathroom area. And last time we did this, we had a little hiccup along the way, but we've learned things. This much higher tech toilet than we're probably used to. We learned what the different buttons do, and also keep in mind that some of the buttons do not work unless you're seated on there. And I think one of my favorites is if you want a water noise, it's right there. But yeah, so they have the bidet and the different water pressures, so there's that, and also different flush levels. And here are the amenity kits you get with this, and also the toothbrushes and cups. You get to keep all of those. And they also have children's toothbrushes inside of here. And then over here, behind this Explorer Mickey, we have the shower room. And just like the other hotel, this whole room turns into kind of the shower room as far as here. And yeah, a nice deep tub, the different hair products. Yeah, it's looking very nice. So, 2 beds of this size. So there's a trundle bed underneath if you had a third person in here. And yeah, there goes another gondola off for a ride. So, you can see all the people waiting to ride the attraction. And yeah, very, very cool. Now let's head back to Tokyo Disneyland to ride the Mark Twain riverboat. This was honestly the longest line we've waited in today. It was all for this pumpkin with milk flavored and a maple churro, all on top of kind of some crunchy fall things. So yeah, looks very tasty. Keeping it real, it's not my favorite, but I like it. What do you think?
美味しいですね. That means it tastes good. But I guess as someone who's not like the biggest pumpkin fan, I probably would have liked it more just with like plain vanilla ice cream and a regular churro, because I love the combo of the creaminess of the ice cream and the churro and the crunchy stuff. But it's good.
Yeah, it's
but
good.
You must love pumpkin.
It's good. I like it, but I'm gonna give it maybe 3 alien mochis.
Yeah, I think I'd give it maybe 3.5.
Okay, good deal.
We got to see just a taste of the Halloween parade. It's really fun because each land in the park is represented with a Halloween version. So you can see the Country Bear Jamboree made out of pumpkins, and here's a Halloween version of Splash Mountain. Now it's time for Monsters Inc. Ride and Go Seek. We will be using flashlights to shine on the Monsters Inc. logo that will trigger special effects while trying to find Boo. Time for dinner at the Hungry Bear restaurant.
I got my Country Bear curry, which has a hamburger patty, a Mickey egg, which I do not know what kind of chickens lay Mickey eggs, but there it is, and chicken, and rice, and curry. And what did you get?
I got a pork cutlet curry. I was gonna get chicken. I changed my mind at the last minute because the pork cutlet looked really good. And so I'm very excited. I love Japanese curry, or kare as they say. It's a rainy day. It's gonna be absolutely delicious and hit the spot.
Perfect. After the first few bites, initial thoughts?
So delicious. The pork is cooked so well. I love the texture of the sticky rice. I feel like Japan has the best rice in the world. And yeah, the curry, I got spicy, but it's not too spicy at all. It's also kind of like mildly sweet. It's just a really great flavor.
All right, we are just finishing up, and it was very, very good. I really like mine. The egg was cuter than it tasted, but the rest of it was absolutely delicious.
Yeah, my meal was so good. I didn't eat all the rice because rice tends to make me really full, and I don't want to get so full that I can't eat other treats later. But the curry itself, I practically licked the plate clean. Amazing.
Plate licking good. So they canceled the electrical parade for tonight because there is some rain, so that is a little bit sad. But we're gonna not worry about that because we're gonna go and maybe enjoy some other attractions and see what else we can find around the park. So here we go. And as a bonus here, we're gonna tell you the price of this in US dollars. I got a medium soft drink, which I don't usually get. I tried a melon drink here. Not my favorite, but still a medium soft drink. My whole curry meal, for me, it was only $10.45 total. Easily at Disneyland, the curry meal itself would be $14.99 and the soft drink would be several dollars on top of that.
Yeah, my pork cutlet meal was only $7.37. The exchange rate is very much in our favor right now, but even still, I'm very blown away by how affordable and reasonably priced things are. It makes it a really great place to bring a large family.
So we just went on Pinocchio's Daring Journey, and it was very, very, very almost exactly similar to Disneyland, only the speed of the attraction was faster. The car was going faster, so you kind of zoomed through there, and it was a little spooky.
Yeah, the backlighting made it very spooky, and the speed always made you feel like you were going to run into a wall.
So Disneyland in California, the version of Snow White is now Snow White's Enchanted Wish, but it used to be Snow White's Scary Adventures. This was just like Snow White's Adventures, I think, here, but it was basically the witch gets out of control. So it started with the witch, as you saw, and even the mine wasn't happy. Like, we dig. It was like the mine was falling apart. And at the end, even on the old version of the Disneyland one, like, it ended with a big book that said, "And they all lived happily ever after." This was just the rock, like, about to fall on us before she got struck by lightning, so.
It was very scary.
Maybe the Japanese culture is just more into a good scare. I don't know, so.
Alright, so we made it back safe and sound to the Hotel MiraCosta, and we have on our special PJs that come with the hotel, so looking good here. But with the rain, as we mentioned, the electrical parade did not happen. They had a smaller, kind of a watered down, if you would, version that they bring out on rainy days, so we did not see that. We're hoping to see it on Friday, but we were able to hit a number of attractions. Pinocchio, Snow White,
Roger Rabbit.
So yeah, so it was very fun, and dinner was delicious. So any highlights from your first time at Tokyo Disneyland?
I'd say definitely the Beauty and the Beast ride. That was really special. And their whole Fantasyland area, which is very Beauty and the Beast themed, was really gorgeous.
Yes, that ride is amazing. So beautiful, so much fun. And yeah, that was a highlight for me. The Winnie the Pooh one was extra fun too, and also I like the stage show we watched. That was a lot of fun too.
Yeah, that was really great.
Lots of great things. So, oh, and not to mention you dancing with Donald Duck when he grabbed you, and the whole thing, that stage show was wild. So there was a ton of stuff. Some of that was probably on the previous vlog, so definitely if you haven't checked that out, go there. But tomorrow we are going to a whole new park for the first time for us, Tokyo DisneySea. It's right out our window, and we are going there tomorrow morning, so pretty exciting. But right now we are dead tired. The jet lag, or whatever we are having right now, is still kicking in, so we are hopping in bed. So, alright, thanks so much for watching. Give this video a like, and consider subscribing because we have a lot more adventures. But have a great night, and we'll see y'all later. Bye!
Good night.